morning, children. Today I am going to explain your physical science first chapter, reflection of light at curved surfaces. Already we have started in the last session. Last session we discussed about concave mirror, convex mirrors, what is the shape and the uses of the convex and concave shape, and how to draw the ray diagrams. Last session I explained. Today in this chapter only I am going to explain about how to solve the mirror formula problems. Mirror formula. Today I am going to explain about mirror formula. The mirror formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. This is called a mirror formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Here f is focal length. F is focal length. U is object distance. V is image distance. Here 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. F is the focal length, u is the object distance, v is the image distance. So before, for solving problems we have to use sign convention. Sign convention is very important for solving problem. If you not take sign convention properly, you will get a wrong answer. So what is the sign convention? Sign convention. Sign convention for concave, u is minus u, v minus v, and f also minus f. And convex mirrors, u is minus u, only u minus u, v plus f plus. Here for concave mirror, u is minus u, v is minus v, f is minus f. For convex, u minus u, only u is minus, v is plus, f is plus. So this sign convention you have to take while solving the problem. Now I am going to explain one problem regarding convex mirror. Convex mirror, u is equal to 30 centimeters and v is 20 centimeters. We have to find f. U 30 centimeter, v 20 centimeter, f we have to find. So, but we have to take sign convention. In this convex, u is minus. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by u means minus 1 by 30 plus 1 by f is 20. You have to take LCM here. 30, 20, 60 is the LCM. 30 2 ja 20, 2 1 ja 2 plus 23 ja 3 1 ja 3. So 3 minus 2. 1 by 60. 1 by f is equal to 1 by 60. So f is equal to 60 centimeters. So this is the focal length of convex mirror. Once again, 1 by f is equal to minus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20. You have to take LCM. 60 is the LCM. Here you will get minus 2. Here you will get plus 3. 3 minus 2. 1 by 60. So reciprocal f is equal to 60 centimeter. This is the focal length of convex mirror. Now I am going to explain one your exercise problem. You can open your textbook and see the exercise problem. Here they are asking find V. U is 10 centimeters. U 10 centimeters and R is 8 centimeter. R 8 centimeter and the mirror is concave mirror. Concave mirror. This is the exercise problem. Find V. V means image distance. U given, object distance given, radius of curvature is given. We have to find V. So first of all R, F you have to find. Focal length is equal to R by 2. This is half of the radius. Focal length is half of the radius. So 8 by 2 is equal to 4 centimeters. This is the focal length. Now you have to take sign convention. Sign convention, U is equal to minus 10 centimeters and F is equal to minus 4 centimeters. In the concave mirror, U minus and F also minus. Now you have to use mirror formula. 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. 1 by F means minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by U minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by V. Now we have to send this is left side. So here 1 by V is equal to this minus 1 by 10 become plus 1 by 10. 1 by 10 minus 1 by 4. 1 by 10 minus 1 by 4. So 1 by V is equal to, here what is the LCM here? 40 is the 20. 20 is the LCM. 10 2 is 20. 4 5 is 20. 10 2 is 20. 4 5 is 20. Minus 3 by 20. So V is equal to reciprocal. 20 by 3. So your answer is minus 6.67 centimeters. Minus 6.67 centimeter. This is the image distance. So like this you have to find the image distance. They have given U, object distance is given, radius of curvature is given. You have to find the image distance and the mirror is concave mirror. First of all you have to find focal length. Focal length is equal to radius by 2. 8 by 2, 4 centimeters. U is equal to, you have to take sign convention, minus 10 centimeter. F is equal to minus 4 centimeter. So 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. You substitute the values. After taking LCM, you will get V is equal to minus 6.67 centimeter. This is the image distance. So like this, you have to find the proper values, image distance, object distance and focal length by using mirror formula. Next topic is magnification. Magnification. What is magnification? Magnification means the variation of image size is called magnification. Increase or decrease of image size is called magnification. So formula, this is the magnification. Magnification. It is denoted by small m. M is equal to Hi by Ho. Hi by Ho is equal to minus V by U. This is the formula for magnification. Hi by Ho. Hi means image height, object height, image distance and object distance. So like this you can find the values. If the given height of image, height of object and image distance, you can find object distance. So by this, using this relation, you can find any one of this. So this is called magnification. And finally, solar cooker. Solar cooker. What is solar cooker? Solar cooker means the water or food get heated by the help of solar energy, sun, the energy, the heat observed by sun. This is called solar cooker. This is made by concave surface. Concave surface means you can take dish antenna and some acrylic mirror sheets you have to take, and you have to paste to the that concave surface in the shape of triangles, that we have to place toward the sunlight, and find focal point where these rays all are converging. Focal point you have to take, then there you have to place that bowl or water. Afterwards the water get heated. So like this, for example, this is the concave surface, this is the sun, parallel rays. Afterwards they converge at one point. If you place a bowl here you bowl, this is water get heated. This is called solar cooker. Solar cooker you have to make by concave surfaces. So like this you can prepare the solar cooker by using concave surfaces. Now once again I repeat that today's topic, that what is the mirror formula. Mirror formula means 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. F means focal length, u is the object distance, v is the image distance. Then you can find whatever you required, focal length or object distance or image distance. So this is the mirror formula, and this is the magnification. You can use formula by using magnification. Thank you for all. Follow the online classes and you learn well at home.